We're on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video with our trusty handy dandy husky box cutter. We got some packages in today. We are excited. Let's see what we got in today. All right. Oh, that was a good cut. All right, let's see. First box. Bubble wrap. Oh, we got something wrapped up. Oh, we got more stuff wrapped up. We're going to move that, please. Let's see what's in these packages. All right. Did the sun really go away? We had sun, guys, and then it went away.
Here we go. Let's turn the light on.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Let's see. Yo, they wrapped this one good. I'm just saying. All right. Number 44. Mini GT. There you go, guys. It is, what is this? Nissan GTR Mini GT. Sheesh. There you go, guys. There you go. To the back wall. Mama, do the honors. Good luck. The tape is strong on this one.
Now, we're just going to cut it.
All right, don't cut it yourself. All right. First one out. Let's go. What do we get? Ooh, accurate NSX old card. Let's go, guys. Sheesh. I like it. What's the next one out? Ooh. What is it? Oh, it's a treasure hunt. I think this was a treasure hunt. I'm not too sure. Yep, it is. It's a treasure hunt, guys. There you go. Police car treasure hunt. Nice. Nice. Oh, hello, Audi. Yeah, this is part of that world tour set. All right. All right. Oh, there you go. Toyota Supra, guys. Part of the world tour set. There you go. There you go. Oh, shall we open it?
Let's do it.
All right. All right. Let's see what we got in the box. Oh. Oh. Big reveal. Big reveal. Big reveal. Big reveal. Bam. Zamac S2000, guys. Let's go. With the fire. Let's go. Toss it. Toss it. Oh, it's your turn now. It is your turn. Open it. Put that box cutter down?
No.
You get a little dangerous opening boxes, man. I'm going to have to take that box cutter away from
I
me.
get excited.
All right, let's see what else we got, guys. Let's see what else we got. We got more brown wrap. All right, toss it. There you go.
Get out of the way.
Out of the way. Let's see. Yeah, these guys shipping is using really good tape there.
My goodness.
Oh, yeah.
We're just going to do this. There we go.
What do we get? What do we get?
Let's see.
Old card. There you go. Zamac Camaro. Dang, 2014 Zamac. Let's go, guys. Add into the Zamac pile. One more box. It's on you. I open two.
Okay.
You get to open two. Let's see. Where did we go?
This one didn't go. There we go.
What's in the box? Feel like Brad Pitt right now. What's in the box? What's in the box?
Ooh,
Oh,
what is
what'd we get?
this?
What'd we get?
Got something a little special, I take it.
Oh.
Something a little different.
Oh, unwrapped Kaido house. Let's go. What do we got? What is it? Oh, Nissan Skyline in the package. Number 129. So, if y'all guys know, leave it down in the comments. How do you know which one's a chase? Supposedly you can find chase cars for these. I don't know. But, boom. There it is, guys. That's what we got in today. Let's go. We'll see you on the stream.